What is Binance Pay and why it is so amazing? Binance Pay is a contactless, borderless, and secure cryptocurrency payment designed by Binance. Shop with crypto or send crypto to friends and family worldwide. So this is the homepage for Binance Pay, and let's read a little bit to understand how it works. So introducing Binance Pay. Send and spend crypto at zero fees. Say goodbye to unfair fees and charges. Pay, send, and receive crypto all with zero fees. And I say receive because usually credit card companies charge around 2% in charges, in fees, whenever you use your credit card. So for business specifically, it is really worthwhile to use Binance Pay instead because they will save a lot of money. And this is great for customers alike, so you don't need to withdraw your crypto to fiat and then spend. You can spend directly with crypto, and that can be very useful to pay less fees and taxes. Let's continue. Shop and pay with crypto. Spend crypto at stores and business that support Binance Pay. Some merchants already work with Binance Pay. You can make some trips and so on. We also can send crypto to close friends and family. So Binance Pay is a fast and safe way to send crypto to your friends and family, all with a single tap. To top up your Binance Pay account, all you have to do is transfer crypto to your funny wallet on Binance. So you need to have the Binance account in order to make use of this service. Freedom to choose how you pay. Set your payment preferences. Payment priority order lets you choose which cryptocurrencies you want to spend in the order that you prefer. So you can set, first I want to spend BUSD, then I want to spend BNB, and then I want to spend Bitcoin, for example. Lightning fast payments. Instantly send crypto to your friends and family worldwide. So this solves a lot of problems because usually the problem with crypto is that people are saying, well, it takes a lot of time to transfer. Like, how can we do direct business transactions using crypto when you need confirmation? It takes time, it's expensive. So this solves this problem very well because Binance Pay transfers are only transferring inside Binance. There is no need for confirmations because the coins are still on Binance. So you don't need to pay for the transaction fees and you don't need to wait until the confirmation. So now we have an actual viable solution for business and for customers that want to pay with crypto. And we have 40 plus cryptocurrencies to choose from. Send and spend your favorite cryptocurrencies with Binance Pay. Of course, when it comes to dealing with payments, it makes sense to use a stablecoin. You can use BUSD for business and services. I think it makes more sense than Bitcoin or some other coin that is very volatile. And I can't overstate this enough. I think this is revolutionary. Like, this is very exciting. And I want to get all the people that I know that, it doesn't matter if it's a hairdresser or the landlord to pay the rent. I want to do this with crypto. I want to spend my crypto directly in the real economy. And I think Binance Pay is that bridge, that gap that we needed to really start implementing this crypto economy, So I am very excited about this, and it is really worthwhile, not only for buyers, but for business as well, especially for business, because they will save a lot of money. Here is an example in the app how it is inside. So you just enter the Pay ID and you can already make a payment. And you can also use the QR codes. So you just scan it on your app. As a business owner, you can set how much they have to pay. And then you just scan that and it will debit from your funding account. The business will receive that money instantly and you will pay according to which cryptocurrency you want. If you go down below here on the FAQ, more information about how it works, all the cryptocurrencies that you can use. So you can see here we have a lot of stable coins as well. So BUSD, my favorite. We also have TUSD, USDT, USDC, and so on. So a lot of stable coins, which I think it makes sense. PAX as well. So I think it makes sense to use stable coins when dealing with actual business. You don't want to have the volatility of normal crypto. I recommend you to check that out. For more information, you can click here. and I will put the link of this homepage of Binance Pay in the description. By the way, if you need a step-by-step tutorial on how to set up your account and make a payment and ask for a payment, Binance Academy made a wonderful video. I'm not even going to try to compete with them. They did such a great job. It is a very quick, informative, and simple to understand video, so I really recommend you to check that out after this video. The link will be in the description as well. So that's basically it. Now, if you are a merchant, here's where you can apply to become a merchant. I think this is for big businesses mostly, but if you're a small business, for example, you just sell some stuff online or whatever, you can simply use as a personal, just on your normal Binance account, and people will just transfer the money for you. This is so interesting. So why Binance Pay? Crypto native audience for your business. Have full control of your checkout experience by building directly with our Binance Pay payment APIs. And of course, the big takeaway from all this is you can sell with the lowest transaction fees. Business can save a lot of money instead of using credit cards. Anybody can understand why the potential here is massive. This is going to grow. It has been out for a few months already, but not many people have heard about it. I think this is going to change once business realize that they are throwing money away by accepting credit cards instead of crypto. And I understand business don't want to accept crypto because it's very volatile. But we have the solution for that too. You can get paid in your preferred cryptocurrency. So Binance Pay supports over 50 cryptocurrencies and stable coins, including BUSD. So you could actually receive BUSD, which is a stable coin, one-to-one to the dollar. So of course you won't have that risk of volatility because you will accept only in stable coins. And it doesn't matter if the customer paid in BTC and you will receive in BUSD either way. So I imagine there will be a little transaction fee when you are converting between these cryptocurrencies, but it will be much less than credit card fees. So all in all, a game-changing service from Binance. You can see here more information for a business, and we also have a more extensive Binance Pay FAQ around here on the Binance website as well. To make use of Binance Pay, you must have a Binance account. If you still don't have a Binance account, sign up with the link in the description. You will get 10% off your Binance trading fees for life, plus a $100 sign-up bonus that you can use to pay for trading fees. What do you think of Binance Pay? Are you going to use it? Leave your comments down below. If you have any questions, I always try to reply all of them. Personally, I am very excited about Binance Pay, and I think we kind of have to do our part ourselves, get those people close to us, and get them to start accepting crypto. Once they realize the benefits, they will prefer to receive crypto instead of paying credit card fees, instead of using the old obsolete system. And I think the future is peer-to-peer. This is what crypto is all about. Let's see what happens. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next Binance tutorial.